Imagine being financially free by the time you hit 30. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's not just a pipe dream? For me, just a few years ago, this was my reality. I can still vividly remember sitting at my desk, day in and day out, feeling the slow, monotonous grind of the 9 to 5. I knew there had to be more to life. I wanted more freedom, more choices, more control over my own time. That's when I decided to completely rethink everything about my approach to money and life. Today, I'm sharing the 5 powerful mindset shifts that brought about this massive change, the very shifts that unlocked the door to my financial independence. So if you're a young adult dreaming of more, or an aspiring entrepreneur ready to take control of your financial future, you have absolutely come to the right place. Ready to change your life? Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the growth mindset. This isn't just some motivational buzzword. It's the fundamental belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's the powerful idea that you are not fixed. This simple shift in perspective is revolutionary. It's about seeing challenges not as intimidating obstacles, but as exciting opportunities to learn and grow. When you embrace this mindset, a whole new world of financial opportunities opens up. How? Because it allows you to see possibilities where other people simply see roadblocks and dead ends. Think about it. When a market dips, do you panic and sell, or do you see a buying opportunity? When a side hustle idea fails, do you give up, or do you analyze what went wrong and pivot? That's the growth mindset in action. So, here's a challenge for you. The next time you face a financial hurdle, whether it's a bill you can't pay or an investment that goes south, stop and ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can this make me smarter, stronger, and better prepared for the future? Start with small, manageable steps. Set a new learning goal for yourself each month. Maybe it's reading one book on personal finance, taking a free online course about marketing, or just watching educational videos like this one. You'll be amazed at how quickly your mindset and your financial reality begins to transform. Next, and this is non-negotiable, you must prioritize your financial education. Think about it, we spend years in school learning about history and science, but for most of us, formal education on how money actually works is practically non-existent. Financial literacy is the language of money, and if you want to achieve independence, you have to become fluent. Knowing the ins and outs of everything from credit scores and budgeting to complex topics like cryptocurrency and stock options is what empowers you to make smart, informed decisions instead of just guessing or following the herd. This knowledge is what separates financial amateurs from financial masters. So, where do you start? Don't get overwhelmed. Start building your financial education today, piece by piece. Seek out credible resources. Websites like Investopedia are fantastic for breaking down complex terms. Find a few finance podcasts that resonate with you and listen to them on your commute. Enroll in online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy, many of which are affordable or even free. The key is to not just consume this information, but to actively integrate what you learn into your daily habits. Start tracking your spending. Open a high-yield savings account. Make your first small investment. Ever wondered why some people seem to make money work for them, while others spend their whole lives working for money? This commitment to continuous financial learning is the key difference. Mindset shift number 3. You have to start thinking like an entrepreneur. And no, that doesn't necessarily mean you have to quit your job and launch the next big tech startup tomorrow. The entrepreneurial mindset is about a way of thinking. It's about seeing problems as opportunities, being proactive instead of reactive, and understanding the immense power of diversifying your income streams. It's about taking calculated risks and being relentlessly innovative in how you approach earning money. Have you ever seriously considered a side hustle? We're living in the golden age of the side gig. From freelance graphic design and writing gigs on platforms like Upwork to starting a dropshipping store with Shopify to becoming a content creator right here on YouTube, there's a truly staggering wealth of opportunities out there just waiting for you. The immediate goal is simple: diversify your income. By thinking like an entrepreneur, you start to create multiple revenue channels. This is crucial because it reduces your reliance on a single paycheck. If you lose your main job, you're not left with zero income. You have a safety net that you built yourself. The trick is to find a side gig that not only pays well but also genuinely excites you and leverages your unique skills. When your work feels like play, you'll have the motivation to keep going, and that's when you start building real, sustainable wealth. Okay, let's move on to number 4. Develop a long-term investment strategy. I know, the word investing can sound daunting, complicated, and risky, especially when you're just starting out. But let me be crystal clear, starting early is the single most important factor in building wealth. It's that simple. Why? Because of a little thing called compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It is the interest you earn on your initial investment plus the accumulated interest from previous periods. Over time, it creates a snowball effect that can turn a small, consistent investment into a massive fortune. Your future self will thank you for every single dollar you invest today. So, how do you begin? Start by familiarizing yourself with the basic principles of investing. Learn about diversification, the idea of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Understand asset allocation, which is how you divide your portfolio among different assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. And make it a habit to stay informed about market trends. Whether you choose to invest in low-cost index funds, individual stocks, or even real estate, the most important thing is to develop a strategy that aligns with your personal risk tolerance and your long-term financial goals. The more you know, the more confident you'll become, and the better equipped you'll be to spot opportunities and make educated decisions that build your wealth for decades to come. And finally, mindset shift number 5. Cultivate a community of like-minded individuals. You've probably heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This couldn't be more true when it comes to your finances and your ambition. Building a network of people who are on a similar journey is absolutely crucial. These are the people who will inspire you when you're feeling down, challenge you to think bigger, and support you with practical advice through the inevitable ups and downs of your financial journey. You cannot underestimate the power of your environment. Surrounding yourself with motivated, financially savvy individuals creates a positive feedback loop. Their success becomes your motivation, their knowledge becomes your resource. Whether it's joining online forums on Reddit like our Financial Independence, finding local meetups for entrepreneurs, or attending industry networking events, you need to actively seek out environments where collaboration and innovation thrive. Don't be afraid to share your ideas, ask questions, and be vulnerable about your goals and struggles. Learn from the successes and failures of others. As your network grows, you'll find that your wealth of knowledge and your financial net worth will grow right alongside it. So, there you have it, the 5 powerful mindset shifts that can set the stage for you to achieve financial independence, maybe even by age 30. 1. Embrace a growth mindset and see every challenge as an opportunity. 2. Prioritize your financial education and become fluent in the language of money. 3. Think like an entrepreneur and build multiple streams of income. 4. Develop a long-term investment strategy and let compound interest work its magic. And 5. Cultivate a community that supports and elevates you. The key is to not just watch this video and forget about it. Start integrating these shifts into your life today. Take one small step, then another. This is your journey. You have the power to design the life you've been dreaming of. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to take control of your financial future, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Join our growing community of ambitious go-getters. Let me know in the comments which mindset shift you're going to work on first. Let's create success together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.